Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cantonese Weekly Words. Today we're going to talk about home appliances, 家庭電器 home appliances, 家庭電器. It should be similar to what you have at home as well. So let's go. The first word is 雪櫃 fridge or refrigerator. 雪 is snow, 櫃 is kind of like a drawer or compartment. So the snow compartment, 雪櫃. 唔該喺雪櫃攞支酒出嚟啊. Please take a bottle of wine out from the fridge. Okay. Yeah. And the next word is 冰格 freezer. 冰 is ice and 格 is compartment. So the ice compartment is freezer. 我想食雪糕啊 I want ice cream. 你去冰格攞啦 Go get it from the freezer. Okay. Ice cream! So the next word is 電視 television. 唔好成日睇電視 Don't watch television all day. The next word is microwave 微波爐 microwave. I have a microwave here. Here is my microwave. 微波爐入邊好似有啲嘢喎 I think there's something in the microwave. Let me check. There is an apple pie in the microwave. Don't tell anyone. Alright, so the next word is 冷氣 air conditioner. 好熱啊，唔該開冷氣 It's very warm, please turn on the air conditioner. 冷 is cold and 氣 is kind of like air, atmosphere. So cold air, it's air conditioner. 冷氣我諗喺香港所有屋企都有冷氣 I think every household in Hong Kong has air conditioner. It's kind of like a must because it's so hot and humid there. So that's it for today. Today we talked about home appliances. I hope you enjoyed the video and if you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can also check out CantoneseClass101.com, sign up for a free lifetime account and you can find lesson notes, transcript, more lessons and a lot of free Cantonese resources. Thank you for watching. I'm Olivia. See you next time. 下次見